to the series. Paalala lamang po to keep your questions relevant and related to the series. Strictly avoid sensitive and personal questions. Please remain respectful and only series-related questions will be entertained. Ready na ba tayo, guys? Yeah? Okay. So, first on the list, let us have, of course, from TV5, Miss MJ Marfori. Hi, Miss MJ.
Hi! Congratulations, guys. Sobrang, of course, as predicted, sobrang successful ng samahan ninyo and Zeke being in on it as well. How has your partnership evolved as co-actors ngayon, Robin and Angela, given that, talagang ang dami na rin pinagdaanan ng pinagsamahan ninyo. Nasaan kayo ngayon at what are you working on?
Hi po, Miss MJ. I can say na we're at this comfortable stage na isang tinginan pa lang namin, we can already communicate kung ano yung gusto naming maparating sa isa't isa. And I can say that it's very helpful, lalo na po on set kapag kailangan namin ng emotional and heavy scenes. Isang tinginan lang po namin, parehas na kaming nadadala sa eksena. And I can say na we've come a long way, lalo na po compared to Seducing Drake Palma, our first season, wherein medyo makikita po talaga natin na nagsastruggle po kami sa mga heavy na scenes. And we also would like to thank Direk Chris kasi hindi po namin ito magagawa without his guidance. And of course, kay Miss Ana Ferrero po. Diba, Rob?
Apo, yun po, Miss MJ. Kami ni Angela ngayon, mas komportable na kami sa isa't isa. Parang mas komportable na po kaming umarte, gano'n. Tapos parang mas gets na po namin yung isa't isa kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin para mas madala sa eksena, gano'n. Tapos mas nag-uusap na po kami para, kumbaga, natatansya namin kung paano yung inaarte namin. Kaya malaki rin po yung pasasalamat namin kay Direk Chris and kay Miss Ana Fileo and sa lahat po ng tao na tumulong sa amin, sa lahat po ng tao sa set and sa buong Viva. Thank you po.
Grabe, ngayon meron na kayong endorsement, di ba?
Yes.
Nagsisimula na. And nung wala pa kayong endorsement, si Angela, dami nang nireregalo sa'yo, Robin, di ba? Mga kadila. Parang may nakwento ko dating gano'n. And recently raw, totoo ba, may PS5?
Hindi PS5.
Game lang.
Binilan niya po ako ng game. Palagi ko po kasing kinukwento sa kanya yun. Sabi ko, may hiniroman kami ng UFC 5, ganyan-ganyan. Kaso, kinuha na ulit ni Hans. Tapos sabi ko, tapos bigla, kinabukasan, binilan niya po ako ng UFC 6.
Wow! Ang bilis.
Ang bilis.
Ang niya, love language ay giving.
Opo.
Ano naman sa'yo, Robin?
Physical touch.
Ayan.
Okay, no further questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss MJ.
Maraming salamat, Miss MJ. By the way, gusto mo lang po i-acknowledge, of course, Wetzel's Pretzels, now open, by the way, sa SM North EDSA for providing our pretzel snacks this afternoon. Ayun po sila sa table. So thank you so much, guys, for being so generous. Next, we have from Manila Standard, let's have Angelica Villanueva.
Hello po, good afternoon po, here po. Yeah. First of all, congratulations po sa buong cast and of course, Derek po. My first question will be for Rajal, no? Dito ko sa second season, parang win-win ni Drake, si Alex, no? Pero kayong dalawa, do you believe in second chances? In love?
Ako yes po. Kasi everyone makes mistakes. And kung mahal mo talaga yung tao, you'd accept them sa mistake nila. Pero pag naka-third or fourth, wala nang ganun. Second lang. One chance is enough. Diba sabi nga po nila, I forgot the saying na actually. So, ano na lang po, non-verbatim. Yung parang, break my trust once, I'll forgive you, and then the second time, shame on you na. Or something like that. I forgot na eh.
How about your Robin?
Ako rin po, naniniwala po ako sa second chances. Kasi parang mas makikilala niyo po yung isa't isa pag binigyan niyo siya ng second chance. Tapos, mas maaayos niyo pa po kung baga. Yan po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan. My next questions are directed naman kay Z. Hi, Trio.
Hello.
Hello. Ayan. First question. Before, many were questioning you kung bakit ikaw yung magte-take over ng role ni Trip, no? But after ilang episodes ng Dating Alice Perez, maraming viewers yung bumilib sa'yo sa pag-portray kay Trip. Kamusta naman yung pag-accept mo na?
Yeah, hindi ko rin in-expect. It's such a blessing na marami ring positive comments and reviews. I've been seeing it. Yeah, it definitely pushes me to try my best. I've already been trying my best since day one, but it keeps me going. And it's something na hindi ko in-expect, kaya mas pag-aanahin ko pa. Mas pagbubutihin ko pa.
Okay. Before you mentioned na you're ready to embrace your pressure, no, in portraying Trip, can you say na you're taking the role gracefully naman?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of pressure, pero as time goes by, then you learn to adapt, and yeah, eventually mawawala din naman yung pressure. So una lang din kasi yan eh. Pero I realized na mas I'm focused on the craft more instead of focusing on the anxiety and the pressure. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. Next, we have a TikTok content creator, Street Scooper, RJ. There you go. Hi, RJ.
Hi guys! It's
Hi.
me, RJ. So ayun, ako agad, nagtinahanda ko pa nga yung connect, pero ayun, sobrang dami kong thought kasi nakapag-set visit ako. Pero bukod doon, congratulations ulit kasi lalong-lalo na nakikita natin yung feedback. Visible naman yung improvement ng lahat ng series and ng mga actors. Simulan ko lang sa magpapa-thank you muna ako ng mabilis lang kay Viva dahil pinayagan nila ako sa set visit and para i-shoot yung BTS and through Direct. Thank you, Direct. And Miss Chrisma, hi, kung asan ka man Miss Chrisma. Update ko lang po kasi naghahanap na sila ng BTS. Bukas po yun, July 31. I-approve na lang po and isa-send ko na po mamaya yung draft. Kasi inihingi na ng mga inyong fans. And nagka-delay lang po sa edit. And then, ayun, sobrang honored ako as animation content creator. And nakita ko sa set yung talagang dedication, yung passion ng lahat. And yun, so eto na, magtatanong na ako. Ay, bago pala yung tanong, mag-share lang ako about sa set visit ko na may kinalaman naman to kung kaano kaganda at yung output ngayon ng Dating Alice Perez and feedback ng mga tao. Unang-una, direct, ayun, si